In 2025, the online education industry is expected to exceed $500 billion. And here's the good news. You don't need a big following, fancy studio, or expert status to get your piece of the pie. With AI, you can build, launch, and sell a course, all from your laptop. Even if you're starting from scratch, let's dive in. Step 1. Find a high-demand course idea. Don't guess, use data. Ask ChatGPT to analyze current Google Trends, Reddit threads, or Amazon book categories. Combine this with Answer the Public to find questions real people are asking. Use this prompt. List 10 online course ideas that solve real problems and have low competition. You'll get results like AI for teachers, remote work productivity, how to grow a podcast with zero budget, prompt engineering for ChatGPT. Choose a topic where you're just one step ahead of the learner. Step 2. Validate your idea fast. Go to Quora or Reddit and search for your topic. Are people struggling with it? Ask ChatGPT to summarize common pain points and objections. Then prompt it. Create a 10-question survey to test interest in my course idea. Use Google Forms to share it in relevant Facebook groups or Discord communities. Step 3. Build your course with AI. Start with an outline. Ask Notion AI or ChatGPT. Give me a 5-module course structure with lesson titles, key points, and takeaways. Then expand each module into full scripts. ChatGPT can write them in your tone of voice, even referencing examples or case studies. For visuals, use Canva Magic Design or Gamma to create slides instantly. Step 4. Record with AI tools. If you don't want to be on camera, no problem. Use Synthesia or Pictory to turn your script into engaging videos using AI avatars and voiceovers. Already have your own voice model via 11 Labs? Upload your script and let it speak for you naturally and emotionally. You now have a fully functional video course without filming a second yourself. Step 5. Host and sell. Use Gumroad, Podia, or Teachable to host your course. ChatGPT can write your landing page copy, FAQs, refund policy, and email funnel. Use prompt write a persuasive landing page for a course on this topic, including pain points, benefits, testimonials, and a limited time bonus. It will deliver marketing copy in seconds. Step 6. Market without an audience. This is the biggest challenge, but AI can help. Turn course snippets into short videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts using Opus Clip. Ask ChatGPT to write tweet threads, Instagram captions, or Reddit posts designed to build curiosity. You can even create an AI newsletter or blog to drive organic traffic. Tools like Surfer SEO help you rank, and ChatGPT writes the content. Use Buffer or Hype Fury to schedule weeks of posts in advance. Step 7. Automate and scale. Connect everything with Zapier. New sale? Add the buyer to your email list. Finished course? Automatically send a feedback form. High-performing video? Generate more variations using ChatGPT. With the right setup, your course becomes a system, one that runs 24/7. So, is it really possible to launch a profitable course with zero audience? Absolutely. All you need is a problem to solve, a clear voice, and the right AI tools to make it real. This is the new way to teach, earn, and scale in the creator economy. Smarter, faster, AI-powered. Want more detailed video about launching AI-powered online course? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more.